These are the elevators at a professional building in Encino, California.
We are riding those elevators because we need to file our taxes on the 10th floor.
Well, let's do it.
The elevator on the right is arriving.
Here it is.
Let's do it.
Let's go up to the 10th floor.
On it.
Here we go.
Fifth floor. Going up.
Well, Emily Elizabeth and her family are riding this elevator, so let's do it.
Let's see how fast this elevator can go.
Tenth floor. Going down.
Well, this is our floor, so let's go.
All right then.
See you then, Emily Elizabeth.
Well, let's go back down to the lobby level.
Sure thing. Let's push the lobby level button.
Third floor. Going down.
Well, we are going back to the lobby level to buy some food from the mini-mart.
I hope this elevator runs perfectly well.
I love elevator rides. They are awesome.
Let's do it.
Lobby level. Going up.
We love to ride elevators. They are so cool and very nostalgic with the classic fixtures.
Well, farewell guys.